Welcome to the Rustic Design Minute. Meet Deborah and Marisol,
Okay, say it all over again.
Hi, I'm Deborah.
And I'm Marisol.
your passionate and creative hosts who will guide you through a world of warm textures, reclaimed wood, and cozy accents. Let's unleash the rustic designer in you.
Next, let's discuss using reclaimed wood to create a rustic coffee table. A simple, sturdy wooden table with a distressed finish will anchor your living room and act as a conversation piece. Moving on, consider making a wooden ladder-style towel rack for your bathroom. Not only will this add a touch of shabby chic charm, but it's also a practical and space-saving storage solution. For our next tip, consider using reclaimed wood to create a unique bench for your entryway or mudroom. A rustic wooden bench not only provides seating, but also adds character and charm to the space. And finally, don't be afraid to mix and match your different types of reclaimed wood. Combing various textures, finishes, and colors of wood will add depth and interest to your space, making it truly one of a kind. So there you have it, folks. With these quick and easy tips, you can transform your home into a vintage haven. Until next time, happy decorating!